Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com Workload Management for Resource Planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Monday.com for Workload Management, start by navigating to the Monday.com website. Once there, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click on Sign Up. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Monday.com dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Templates section. Click on Templates to explore pre-built solutions. Search for Workload Management in the template library. Choose a template that best fits your resource planning needs. Click on the chosen template to open it. You will have the option to customize this template. Feel free to adjust columns, add new tasks, or assign team members. Once you are satisfied with the customization, remember to save your changes. To add team members, locate the Invite button in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of your coworkers and click Send Invites. After your team accepts the invitations, they will have access to the Set up automations by going to the Automate button on the top menu. Choose from various automation options to streamline your workflow. Now, create a view that helps you visualize your resource allocation. You can switch between different views such as Kanban, Gantt, or Calendar. To further refine your board, use filters to display specific tasks or team loads. Regularly update the status of tasks for accurate workload management. Monitor the dashboard to track resource capacity over time. If needed, train your team on how to use Monday.com effectively. Utilize the Help Center for additional resources and tips. Ask for feedback from your team to continuously improve the setup. Review your resource planning strategy on a regular basis to ensure it meets your needs. That's how you install and set up Monday.com for effective workload management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.